Every day, suppliers from all over the world deliver thousands of items to us. We have approximately 20,000 item numbers, and we pick a product every 3 seconds. We are constantly working to streamline our processes, most recently with the installation of AutoStore. AutoStore is our new fully automated picking system. It optimizes order picking and keeps control of 471,600 stock positions. All boxes are scanned and sorted for further handling, and the supply chain team is constantly working on improving the efficiency. With AutoStore, our warehouse capacity is increased by 150%. AutoStore improves delivery security and minimizes errors in expeditions, and can be expanded significantly as our needs arise. Our supply chain assures efficient, fast and secure delivery to our customers throughout Europe.